Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install LibreOffice on Linux. So, at the beginning I will open the terminal, and in this video I will show you how to install LibreOffice in two ways. The first one will be very simple for the users that just want to install it and have no problem with using it. We have the command like this: sudo apt-installed LibreOffice. It looks like this. Maybe at the beginning I will show you how to check if your LibreOffice is installed. So you can do it by typing in LibreOffice version. As you can see, it is not installed for me, so I will use this command again, sudo apt-installed LibreOffice, and I will press enter, type in my password. And do you want to continue? We have to agree, so yes. And we have to wait right now. This is the very simple way, because it will install LibreOffice without any problem. But I will show you in a second the second way that requires downloading a file from the official LibreOffice website. It is better for the more advanced users because it is downloading the newest version of LibreOffice. You will see that this version that I am installing here is a little bit older than the version that we will download from the official website. But the second option has some cons. The first con is basically the thing that we need to, if we would want to update our LibreOffice, we will have to again go into official website of LibreOffice and download our update manually. But in this case, with using this command, we can just type in sudo apt-update, sudo apt-upgrade, and it will download the update automatically. So you can choose whatever option you want to. Both options will work, and I will show you that in a second. We have our progress on 96%, so it is fine. We can wait. As you can see, we have adding, setting up, so this is almost the end. And as you can see right now, if I will type LibreOffice minus version, we have LibreOffice 24.2.7.2. You can remember this number because maybe I will show you that this is working. As you can see, we have all these programs right there. We can, for example, open LibreOffice Calc. We'll wait, and as you can see, it is working, so we can use that. And right now I will uninstall it. Maybe I will pause the video, uninstall it, and I will go back to you, and we will download it from the official LibreOffice website. Remember that by using this command we have the version 24.2.7.2. So I will be pausing the video, I will remove that, and I will go back to you. So as you can see, I removed my LibreOffice. If I will type in LibreOffice minus version, we don't have anything, and the icons from these apps basically disappeared, so I removed it correctly, and now we can move to the browser. And in the browser we will go into the official LibreOffice site, as I said before, so LibreOffice for Linux, and right there we have the second site, Linux 64, and we have, as you can see, download LibreOffice, and we have the Linux 64-bit dep file. We will download that by pressing on this yellow button, and as you can see, it is downloading. It is a little bit above 200 megabytes, so we have to wait a bit. Only 15 seconds left, so it's not a long time. And right now our downloading is completed, and so we can close that, and we can go again into the terminal. Right now we have to go into the download section, so I will type in cd downloads. I will leave that, and as you can see right now we have our tar.gz archive of our LibreOffice. And as I said before, with installing with the sudo apt-installed LibreOffice command, we had a version 24.2.7.2. Right now we have the version 25.8.4, so this is a little bit newer, so this is why this method is also really useful. We can basically extract that with the tar. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch the video where I showed how to use tar command and how to extract archives with the tar command. I will use the xvzf options, and with the name of our archive, so this is LibreOffice and so on. You can fill this name without needing to rewrite the whole name by pressing the tab button on your keyboard, and I will press enter. As you can see, it has been extracted, and right now I will list that. As you can see, we have a LibreOffice folder right there. We'll go into it again. I will fill it with the tab. Inside it, we have the depth folder. We have to go inside this depth folder, and right there we have a lot of depth files. We have to install all of these packages. And how can we do it? We can do it by typing in sudo, because we need administration permissions, dpkg -i, and in order to basically make it a little bit easier for us, we will type star and dep. That means that we will install all packages with the dep at the end, because without it we basically would have to install it by one, so it would take a lot of time, probably like an hour or something. So I will type it like this. I will press enter. Of course we have to type in password, and now we have to wait for it to be installed. It will take some time. It is basically the same thing that we did before with the sudo apt-install LibreOffice command, so it doesn't make a difference, that much difference, I think. As you can see, we have unpacking, preparing. If you will have setting up, that will mean that our installation is almost finished. So as you can see, we have setting up. And right now, our installation is finished. How can we know that? Because with this, I don't know why, but LibreOffice -- version doesn't work. So, as you can see, it doesn't work. But if we will go into this show up section, we are having a lot of applications. So again, maybe I will launch LibreOffice Calc. And as you can see, it is also working, and we have the version not 24 but 25, so this is a little bit newer than the version that we installed before. So everything is working. This is how you can install LibreOffice on Linux using two different methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.